Ever got super glue stuck on your skin and didn't know how to remove it? It's a sticky situation that many of us have found ourselves in. But worry not. Here's a simple solution to this fairly common problem. Firstly, resist the urge to pull or force the bonded skin apart. It may seem like the obvious thing to do, but it can actually cause injury. Remember, super glue on the skin will naturally wear off over time as your skin cells renew. Next, give the affected area a gentle wash with warm water and mild soap. This step is crucial, but ensure to avoid using harsh chemicals or solvents, as they can irritate the skin. If the super glue has hardened and is playing hard to get, just soak the stubborn area in warm, soapy water for several minutes. This soaking session can help soften the adhesive, making it easier to bid farewell to. After the soak, it's time to gently peel or roll the glue off. Use a soft cloth or your fingers to do this, but remember to be gentle. You wouldn't want to damage or irritate the skin in the process. Still, some super glue can be quite stubborn. If it refuses to let go, an acetone-based nail polish remover can be your next ally. Apply a small amount to a cotton ball or swab and gently dab it onto the affected area. But remember, acetone can be quite drying to the skin, so it's important not to rub too aggressively, and ensure to rinse the area thoroughly with water after removing the glue. Once you've successfully removed the super glue, treat your skin to a thin layer of petroleum jelly or a gentle moisturizer. This will help soothe and hydrate your skin, making it feel loved and cared for. Finally, keep an eye on the affected area for any signs of irritation, redness, or discomfort. If any adverse reactions occur, do seek medical advice. Remember, these methods are generally safe for removing small amounts of superglue from skin. However, if you have sensitive skin, open wounds, or if the superglue is on sensitive areas like the eyes, lips, or mucous membranes, it's best to consult a healthcare professional. So the next time superglue gets a little too attached to your skin, you'll know exactly what to do. It's all about patience, gentleness, and the right techniques.